It's been thousands of years since humans settled down this planet. In the First Age, humans learned to use caves as a shelter to protect themselves from the wilds and natural disaster. Rocks then became the main material of their new, beautiful kingdom. As the century passed, humans continued to grow and develop. Water systems and electricity had been invented to help with their living life. Moving forward to today, the industry is now equipped with IoT and can be controlled by just a smart device. In fact, the fundamentals of this industry still have not much changed. By which, we're still using cement, concrete, bricks and mortars. Even with newer 3D printings, construction still rely on these fundamental resources. According to many global reports, manufacturing the stone-like building material is responsible for 7% of global carbon dioxide emissions and PM 2.5, more than what comes from all trucks around the world, causing global warming and climate change. These stone ages cannot be reused. No one is without their limits. Earth and we are also no exception. We have to move forward before it's nothing left. That is precisely why we have to completely change the old paradigm. We proudly present to you our next industrial evolutions. With our newfound technology, our living unit is controlled by you and can simply do the purchase with just a touch. With our innovative production line factory, we can reduce the process and waste in many angles. Less labor and time, more precise with data collected from these never-before-seen products. The butterfly will fly to you next to no time. Installation is simple and easy with our intelligent system. Our controlling unit collect every user's data through connected IoT without ever needing any wires. All parts can be simply reassembled. Any used item can be resold back to our e-commerce platform to form a perfect circular system. Welcome to our BUTTERFLY22X district. And together, we will make the real cognitive cities and rise to the new paradigm era. This great phenomenon will bring back the world's true salvation. The future is right now in your hands.